Boston Dynamics put out a new video. This was yesterday around the time we were shooting, probably broadcasting. And this is one of my favorite ones yet because, you know, often there's a demo of like dance moves and choreographed things, and those are fun, and it's a certain day, and they're like, hey, we're Boston Dynamics. We have really fun robots with tons of personality and names like Spot and Atlas. But the question always remains, what are you doing with these things? And if you don't show them doing things, then people just go to the darkest places and they just start imagining weapons on them.
Or beating them up somehow.
I don't know. It's just like, it always goes that direction unless you show them doing meaningful things. They had one promo they did for Spot where it was kind of walking between different job sites and taking different readings or mapping out buildings, commercial facilities. Yeah. But this one, I like it even more. It's called Atlas Gets a Grip. And I think you can play this video, play a little bit of this video. I think that they would appreciate the fact that we're promoting their activities. So at first he's walking around a rudimentary way. Oh, this looks like a behind the scenes video, is it? Maybe you got to go forward. Anyway, there's a construction worker. He's standing at the top. That is behind the scenes. There's the real deal. He's standing at the top doing his usual work, and he's on some scaffolding. And the Atlas then, which is down below, becomes enabled to help out because he needs some tools which are down on the ground level. Atlas takes a peek around and goes, oh, yeah, no problemo. I can find a way up there. Wow. And first things first, how about a little ramp and a little jump in the meantime, because that's way faster than turning around the other way and more fun. So I'm going to put a plank across here. I'm going to prance around a little bit. I'm going to find these tools, which appear to be like have some weight to it. And this dude is obviously way stronger than a human. Oh, that's impressive. Comes across the plank. And then what about a hop, clearing the head barely, and then whips the bag up for, like, don't you want this when you're in the middle of a job? And I'm going to push down this box and I'm going to jump off. I'm going to do it all very elegant, ballerina status, figure skating status. And I'm going to make it look pretty with a little corkscrew off the end on the dismount. That's fun. It's acrobatic as well. It's helping, but it's acrobatic.
Very smooth as well.
It's animated. It's almost like your favorite Pixar film. The character that's with you has personality in movement.
I would like to see a play with these robots.
Yeah.
They're so elegant. What's impressive is the bag. The fact that they could feel out like the certain points.
And listen,
without applying too much pressure.
We don't know to what extent, like obviously there's some choreography involved, right? Like we don't know to what extent in real practice it would behave this way. Would it prance in such a fashion? Would it look side to side? Would it swing the bag up there like that? Because the worker needs to be ready or he's getting knocked off the scaffolding. It seems... But nonetheless, it gives us some insight, grants us some insight into a futuristic world in which these super helpful robots are helping. And they're not killing, but they're helping. Yeah. Right, Will? That's what happens in the future, right, Will? They're helping.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want one.
To help.
Yeah.
Right.